Hey, welcome, it's Jim, and in this video we're going to be talking about placements for your mobile ad bar ads. Okay, so I'm all logged in to my WordPress dashboard. I'm inside the mobile ad bar admin area, okay, and we've got basically an image ad set up here. Okay, so you kind of know how this works. Like basically you've got a name up here, and this is stuff we've walked through in the other videos. So our focus this time is going to be on this third section down here called placement. Okay, so basically I just want to walk through. It's pretty straightforward. You probably already get it, but I'm glad you're watching this because I just appreciate it. So basically we can pause the ad bar here. Okay, so just know that you can pause all of your mobile ad bars, if you just don't want to have any showing at the moment. We can also make it active, right? And any of these changes we make, we just need to click update to make sure that they're saved into your site. But the other thing that we can do here is basically mess around with where the mobile ad bar is going to show up on your website when somebody visits it on a smartphone, okay? So by default, it's just going to show on all your posts and pages. Okay, so basically every page of your site will have this. I recommend that because you never know which page somebody's going to land on, and so if you've got an offer or something you want that person to do, then make sure that your message is in front of them no matter what page they're on, right? However, I understand that that doesn't always make sense for every website, especially if you've got some specific content or something like that where you don't want it to show. So let's just say, you can, if you just want this to show up on your blog posts, right? And you don't want the ad bar to show up on like your privacy policy page or your home page or that kind of thing, then all you have to do is just click posts, right? So let's update and we'll just go ahead and check and show you how that looks. Okay, so I've got the page open here in a different browser, right? This is my home page, so this isn't a post. And when we minimize this, and I refresh it here, because the cache, yeah, there we go. Okay, so just clear the cache. So you can see now the mobile ad bar isn't there anymore, right? And it's because I'm on a page. But as soon as I click on a post, right, because I've got posts showing up on my front page, so like they're things that people can click and go in and read, right? Then you can see the ad bar down here, right? So that's kind of how that works. They're inside any of these posts that they go to. I call them reviews basically, but they're going to see this. But then, for instance, if they go to the privacy policy page or like we saw the home page, then the ad bar is going to go away. Okay, so that's how that looks. All right, so let's expand this back. Let's go back into the dashboard. Okay, and then we are using this example. That's the one that's active right now. Okay. We had it on posts. Now we can just say, oh, you know what? I just want it to show up on pages. Now, this one is ideal for, like, I use this when I'm doing advertising because generally speaking, when I'm doing pay-per-click advertising, whether it be from Facebook or Google, then I'm sending that traffic. If I'm doing website linking, I'm sending that traffic to a special landing page, right? And so in this case, maybe we just want the ad bar to show up on pages, or maybe all posts and pages. But in that scenario, I would definitely want my ad bar on the pages. And so if I click update here, now we could get more granular with these, but the idea with these ad bar ads is that they should be something that you want people to do, no matter what page they sort of enter your site from. And we may in the future, make some enhancements here to give you the ability to refine, which pages the ad bar shows on. But for now, we're just kind of keeping it high level. Keep it simple. Okay, so that's updated. And let's go to the site. Okay, and then when we get down to mobile size. Okay, so there's the ad bar ad and it's on the home page, right? So that's all good. But if I go to a post, then it's not going to be there, right? So that's kind of how that works in a nutshell. Pretty straightforward. I'm sure you got it anyway, but you know, certainly if you have any questions, let us know. And thanks so much for joining me. Okay.